Hi, my name is Andrew. I've been playing drums for about 20 years. I play drums for my band Deceiving the Masses, where we play modern deathcore. Lately, I've fallen in love with Collision's 5BR drumsticks. What I love about these drumsticks is that they have a perfect balanced weight that give me that perfect rebound I need to play fast and heavy for that awesome deathcore sound. They also have a little bit longer reach than a normal 5B drumstick that give me that versatility I need around my kit. It has been so awesome working with Collision lately. Their customer support is super nice and everybody has been getting back to me on time and I don't have to wait very long for anything. I love how they set up all their phone calls with me, and as soon as I need something, they're always there. I'm going to be playing an original song called Accursed by my band, which is out now on all platforms. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you.